committee.
Yeah, so now this year it was also a committee change. So we had got 15 things. So all members are anonymously elected, and they have elected me as the president to continue for the second term. And we will be shortly finalizing on the working committee, office bearer committee, and whatever issues people have been telling, we will take it up strongly with the government and see that the atmosphere in Goa is industry friendly. Thank you.
So do you bid for your
Single window policy, that's what we are discussing. See what government said, IPB will act like a single window. Anybody who applies to IDC, IPB, all the clearance will be automatically given. But so far this thing has not happened. People after getting a consent letter from IPB also has to reapply with GIDC for plot. They have to again apply and run after all the departments. So on a paper it looks like it is a single window, but actually it has not happened. And in terms of ease of doing business, whatever Goa online people have tried to get all departments together, we feel that this has to be pushed very strongly and seen that all these difficulties of anybody coming in Goa, it should be at one point contact.
so what will be your demand for the government now here?
Demand for government, what we are saying is try to reduce the compliances, especially the small industries which are coming up. There are so many compliances. You might have seen today the grievances people have come up with. These compliances can be, now the technology is there. Whatever information government needs from the industry, it can be collected as a single form and distributed among to the different departments. See, we are giving the same information to PF, we are giving the same information to ASIC, we are giving same information to factories and boiler, we are giving almost same information to pollution. So all this information like annual returns for labor department, one form combined consolidated form they should design, which we will feed, and the data whatever each department requires can be taken up simultaneously.
किती decisions आहे?
Yeah, so today we had an annual general meeting, first time in physical form after 2 years. Since most of the people had, industries had lot of issues, and they were going on and on with the difficulties that are faced. And it is becoming very saddening that in spite of we working out so much, still so many issues are coming up. And it's not fair that the people who have invested in Goa should be made to go through all these hardships. It was was discussed today. Major issues were with the GIDC, factories and boilers, pollution control, and other departments also. But these three were the main things which had come up. And finally, all the general body members, after sharing their grievances and the suggestions, it was decided that whatever issues we are facing, like lease rent hike, which was done, that the committee should be given the legal powers. Committee should be given a power to take a legal action against this. And if the department or the government is not able to resolve these issues in time, that the committee is being given now powers to take a legal step against this. And it's not about, we are not fighting against particular political party or but the entire system we need to make it really transparent and user friendly, so that more investment can come up in Goa. See, we are finding that local people are not getting the jobs. Unless the new industry comes, how the creation of jobs will happen? How long everybody will be going after the government jobs? And finally, government jobs, the money has to be recovered from the public only. That is what we are facing now. Because to run the GIDC, they are asking us to hike the lease rent, which is not a fair thing. See, if we have to survive here, government also has to listen to our grievances. Now, see, after Sripad Naik became the shipping and this minister, from today onwards, the container movement in Marmago Post is closed down. It's suspended. Now, if anybody want to get a container from any other places, they are not able to get it in Goa. They have to either go to the Cochin or Mumbai. So this kind of issues need to be sorted out, and I had sent detail to all government officials, but nothing has happened. Sripad Babu, I spoke today afternoon. He said that it will be resolved. So let's hope that these things are taken care of, and industry is given little priority for what they are doing in the state. Thank you. And all these patients leave. Now I will request a solution for this. See, there are issues with IDC, there are issues with factories and boiler, there are compliances issue, and there are certain issues for which the amendments in Act or rules is required. So these are the various issues which are there. Basically the functioning. So I would suggest now, so that one by one I will call out, you can come and propose what you feel can be a solution, so that jointly we can handle it properly. So I would ask Sudhin Bhai to come first. To get most of the people on board, field managers also are facing a lot of difficulties. In state, almost they have done 80% people they have started water bill and house tax also. Other is there is no reply from the GIDC, then the system will generate the invoice as per whatever figures you are giving.
One more.